Start. It is submitted by the respondent that the present petition is not maintainable since the petition under section 73 within 4 can only be filed by a member of the company and the petitioner has not annexed any proof with respect to his membership in the respondent company. Full stop. That the respondent company has added that the deposit involved in the present petition has not been invited from the members of the company, which is a mandatory requisite under section 73 within 2 of the Companies Act 2013. Full stop. It is further submitted by the respondent company that rejoinder company Mittal has wrongly been arrayed as director and party as respondent number 3 in the memo of parties, as the said Mr. Rajinder Kumar Mittal had resigned since 18/7/2019, which is duly recorded with the registrar of companies. Full stop. In support of its contention, the respondent company has also placed on record a copy of the DIR 12 form. Full stop. It is further stated that by the respondent company that in terms of Rule 73 of the NCLT Rules 2016, the petitioner was required to serve a copy of the petition of the NOC and RD. Full stop. RD was required to file its report thereafter. Full stop. It is further contended by the respondent company that it is also facing difficulty in arranging funds through sale of properties in view of the fact that there are couple of insolvency petitions filed under section 7 by home buyers and under section 9 by operational creditors. Full stop. That the petitioner has also filed its written submissions and stated that as far as maintainability of the present petition is concerned, by virtue of the provision under section 76 within 2 of Companies Act 2013, the provisions of chapter 5 of Companies Act 2013 shall mutatis mutandis apply to the acceptance of the deposits from public under this section. Full stop. Therefore, the non-member of the respondent company is also eligible to file the petition under section 73 within 4 of the Companies Act 2013. Full stop. With respect to Rule 43 of the NCLT Rules 2016, it is submitted by the petitioner that the Rule 73 within 6 provides that when a copy of application is made under section 76 within 2 or section 44, a copy of the application shall be served on the RD and the ROC before the date of hearing. Full stop. However, it has been submitted that the said rule will apply only when an application is made by the corporate debtor company seeking an extension of time for payment of deposits taken prior to commencement of the act under section 74 within 2, or where the extension for repayment of deposit taken from public is sought by the company under section 76 within 2, read with 74 within 2 and not otherwise. Full stop. As regards to making Mr. Gaurav Mittal respondent number 2 and Mr. Rajinder Kumar respondent number 3 as party in the present petition, it is submitted by the petitioner that as per provision contained in section 76A within B by the of the Companies Act 2013, every officer of the company who is in default shall be punishable with imprisonment which may extend to 7 years and with fine which shall not be less than 25 lakh rupees but which may extend to 2 crore rupees. Full stop. It is also added that the deposits were made before the respondent number 2 and 3, that the issuance of fixed deposit receipt in favor of the petitioner, who is admittedly not a member of the respondent company, has not been disputed. Full stop. Therefore, after hearing submissions of both the parties, this bench is of the view that the plea raised by the respondent company that the petition is not maintainable as it is not filed by the member of the company does not merit consideration. Full stop. Para. Heard the learned counsel for the petitioner company, no objector has come before the tribunal to oppose the petition and nor has any party controverted any amendments made in the petition. Stop. The counsel for the petitions company submits that articles of association of the company read along with article 43 of the articles of association of the petitioner company empowers the petitioner company to reduce its capital in any manner permitted by law from time to time by passing a special resolution in any manner for the time being authorized by law. Full stop. The counsel of the petitioner company submits that there was an arrangement between the promoters and investors via a term sheet dated 5th July 2018. The investor had offered seed capital support to the company under its incubation program, and the shareholders agreement dated 21 August 2018 was entered between the promoters and investors for the said investment stop. Accordingly, amount of rupees 50 lakh had been invested into the company by the promoters and the investors as per the terms of agreement. Full stop. However, investor has expressed his desire to exit the company and discontinue the project for which investment was made. Stop.